Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn doing an update on our houseplants. This is one of our beautiful philodendrons, and this is our moon cactus here for you all to love. And this is our other cactus. It's a nice cactus. It blooms, the Christmas cactus, during Christmas in November. And this is a Hoya, and it grows in our window too. And I love our plants because they give us oxygen and are really good for us to have in our house because it gives us oxygen like God gave us out in the world. And this is another philodendron. It's our really big one. We keep her inside. And I'm looking forward to her getting filled out because she's getting little leaves right here. And I really don't know what this plant is, but I like it in this little cute little pot. And this is our jade plant, which I noted here and here. I'll try to zoom in. Here and here and here and here, and now it's like going off into twos here and here. I noted this plant too to try to make it bushier, and it's growing out on this side. And I love this little succulent and philodendron, which is starting to wrap around here in our cute little teapot. And this is our crouton. I love the pot it's in, the blue pot. And it's a red crouton. And it's getting bigger too. I hope you all enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all.